There we go. Come on. Come back to me. My Weeble was crashed this morning. Had to actually uninstall and reinstall it and got everything working again and reboot. But what in the frick? All right, there we go. Test, test, test.
You came through on YouTube.
Okay, great. It looks like everything should be okay. I see TikTok is up. All the things.
Hey, Coach, how much money do you think the entire group made the whole entire year? Rough estimate.
Great. This year?
Over 100 million?
Oh, yeah.
There you go, folks.
YouTube I actually have the precise. I've been tracking it, and the precise number is oodles and gobs.
Yeah,
okay, that's what it is.
Yeah, this year would be more than a lot of the than last year. I think we're probably between, I would say, 130 and 150 million we made this year.
So, that's just one person. Wait a minute.
I was about to say we have one person that's close to that, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, one person made 25 million in a day. That's what I'm taking into consideration, though, for the bigger number.
So we can't put our finger on it, basically.
No, there'd be no way. Let's just put it this way: more than any stock market trading community in history. How about that?
In the world.
Oh, I would almost. I can't say guarantee because I don't know for sure, but I would almost guarantee for sure in the world. Yep.
So that being said, just to let you know, we on YouTube, whoever's listening, we attract the most successful stock traders here on ADT.
That is correct.
There you have it.
Yep, 100%. That I don't know of any other traders that do as well as we do. How's that? I've never heard of one. Ever.
Plus, none of them televise occasionally from their Tesla truck.
That's right. That's right.
The bonuses you guys get.
All the things. Okay. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, so many weird technical BS things this morning. Okay. Should be good to go. Good morning, everybody. Glad to see you all here. Archer says, really? Yes, really. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. If you guys want to join us at any time, of course, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Get signed up. Just so you guys know, this upcoming month, January 22nd, correct me if I'm wrong, Thursday at 4 o'clock, we will have our first free workshop ever. Bruno, you want to tell us a little bit about that free workshop for everybody that's listening?
It's starting your day trading journey. So we'll be talking about what day trading is, what are some aspects about day trading that is important to know as a newcomer, whether it's market psychology or psychology in general, or what it actually entails. So what is day trading? What does it mean? How do we do it? And how do we do it here at ADT as well? So that'll be on January 22nd at 4 p.m.
Nice. Now that's for all free members, and you will have a link over on Discord. So you guys have to join the Discord. Just head on over to the website, click the big giant orange button, I believe, that says, or yellow that says, click here, right? It's free. Join the free Discord. Make sure you verify your account. If you don't verify your account within 24 hours, it will kick you off the system. So verify the account, and you will be eligible for our free workshop training that is typically reserved for our Diamond and VIP members only. So join us. That's going to be amazing. We're going to go over different brokerage accounts, possibly getting into how to set up Webull, right? How to enter and exit trades, different types of trades that we do inside of here. We can go over briefly some of the 2-minute EWO, some small swing trading stuff, but mostly it's going to be for day trading. So make sure you join. Tell everybody in the world about it. It is absolutely 100% free. That's nice. That's nice. Real quick, I want to thank all of our moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. If you are a paid member, we've already posted the hot stock picks. Those are potential runners for today and today only. Just keep those on your list. If you are a newer trader, do not trade the hot stock picks. That's not for you. That is scalping in the pre-market, which is more dangerous than regular market hours because there are no stops. Also, if you are a paying member, you've already got the pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas you will use at the beginning of the day, at the bell, and throughout the day. We've already posted the IPO Center. So any new and exciting IPOs that come out, if you are a premium and above member, you will also get those. All of that going on right now with that premium membership starting at $125 a month. If you guys want to upgrade and get to the VIP, which I highly recommend you at least start with the VIP membership, you guys will get early bird access to the Zoom training and trading starting every day at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You guys will be inside of here with other multi-millionaire traders that have all been trained here at American Dream Trading from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You guys will have access to the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP training videos. Those we have tons of VIP training videos for you, by the way. You'll have access to the TradingView indicators, which is an overlay. You just have to have a TradingView membership, and then you can use our specially programmed and designed overlay based upon my 2-minute EWO strategy from being in the stock market for, in 2 days, it's going to be 34 years. You guys will get all that access with VIP. If you're a VIP member, you can upgrade to Gold with the VIP Gold membership. You'll get weekend training every Saturday. We've been putting on weekend training. You'll get the live Apple chat where David, one of our training moderators who's been with us for over 3 years now and over $1 million in confirmed profits since joining American Dream Trading, will show you that live 2-minute EWO Apple strategy in real time in one of our chat channels for all VIP Gold and Diamond members. You'll also get access to the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and help you get started with your systems, not a one-on-one, but to help you get started on your trading journey. You'll also get the VIP Gold Lounge, the Gold newsletter that we posted, I believe, last night, unless that was futures. And everything is recorded for you if you are a Gold member. So if you work, you missed it, you missed the session for the day, anything and everything is recorded for you. And of course, we have those Zoom recap notes. If you're a Diamond member, you have access to everything, all of our membership services that we have here. Also, we have, of course, futures. So if you guys are interested in our futures membership starts at $250 a month and includes the TradingView indicators. Okay, so if you guys are interested in trading right now, we have a whole other Zoom area that is dedicated to just futures. Now, I have been trading futures live in front of you all year, the last 12 months. Every single day while I have been calling out stocks. Because guess what? If I can train you on stocks and options, I can train you on futures, crypto, everything else that is out there. They all just have their own caveats and nuances and how much you have to pay, right, from your brokerage accounts and how you use them, right, and different expirations and how all the things. But listen, a chart is a chart is a chart. If I can train you on one, I can train you on all. So make sure I see you every single freaking day when I am in the room. I cannot stress that enough. So those are all our membership services. Again, and go to American Dream Trading. Get signed up right now. Appreciate you. Moderators, go ahead and clip that entire segment. We're going to use that for our recordings and for our marketing material. I want that entire segment clipped out, minus any breaks, pauses, things unnecessary we don't need. I need you to mark it now and put it in there because that is a very full, I wanted a very full and detailed brand new one leading into the new year. Bruno, got it marked? Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay. What do we got? It's about 9:13. 9:30, of course. It's going to get fast and furious. The way that it works here at American Dream Trading at 9:30, there will be a lot of call-outs, a lot of fast action and movers, hot stock picks, 2-minute EWOs. You guys are going to hear all sorts of things. Do not panic. Do not freak out. That is normal because it is the busiest time of the day. At 10 o'clock, we move into more Q&A. It's a little bit slower moving. What is happening throughout the day? All of those things. All I ask is please keep your microphones closed in the first 30 minutes of the day because it is crazy. Now, remember, we are not a call-out group. We do not sell bots. We do not have any of that garbage. We train you live in real time. We are the only stocks, options, futures, and crypto training community that has a live open microphone. Right now, I have 200 people in my Zoom. Everybody, you want to say good morning? Let them know.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning from prison.
Good morning from Orlando, Florida.
There we go.
Good morning from Ocean City.
Okay, that sounded like we had about 4 people here. All right. That's when everybody opens up your microphones and says good morning. Come on now, wake up. Let's go.
Good morning out there. And you
Come
too,
on, people. Let's go.
Morning.
Wake up now.
Good morning, everyone.
There we go. There we
started,
go.
people.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yes.
I
Yes.
said
Buenos
it twice.
dias.
Morning.
Morning from Los Angeles.
Good morning.
Buen dia.
Thank you. That's more like it. Notice we also have people from all over the world, not just the U.S. Right? So as long as you can trade stocks, options, futures, or crypto in your region, right? This will be able to help you. Now listen, even if you're trading somewhere else, we will still teach you how to read exactly what's going on in the market so you can use and apply it to other things. But you'll hear there are people from everywhere. Oops, let me switch this.
Coach, I just got to say this real quick about WOK Walk. The reason why it's jumping is because there's an announcement that was taking place on the 24th. Record date is today that it will be a reverse split, 1 for every 100. WOK, reverse split.
I got you. Okay, thank you. And that's walk, right? Isn't that in our hot stock picks or no?
Walk like a man. It's not in the hot stock pick. It's
No?
Yeah, no.
If not, we can add it.
Take another look, Habibi.
Yeah, I texted to you in the chat, so I don't see it there. I'm sure you probably added it just now.
Okay, thank you.
It has a reverse stock split today.
Yep. All right, thank you. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. It's WOK. Thank
And
you.
just one last public announcement, Coach.
Yeah, go
and
ahead.
that is we are really hit with the cold front that has come into the U.S. Arkansas, we're down at 18 degrees. If you do have that real cold, please put faucets on inside your house so your pipes don't freeze.
Slow drip, right? Slow dripper.
Correct.
Yep.
Absolutely. Is it cold up there in Virginia?
No, actually, we're getting like a warm front. It's going to be 60 degrees here today.
Dang. Can I fly up?
Isn't that weird?
So weird.
Yeah. It's supposed to be 60 today, and then the rest of the week, right? It's going to be cold. But currently it is, 60 degrees.
That's great. Just make me jealous. That's
Incredible.
fine.
And in North Carolina, my daughter had her air conditioner on 2 days ago.
Yeah, it's wild. Tomorrow, the rest of the week will be 40s. Leading it, so the rest of the week will be 40s. But today, some fluke 60 degrees. So it is what it is. Yeah, on the way to my Mickey D's this morning to grab my Diet Coke, I had the windows down. I know. It's crazy.
And of course, it's hot up there because Coach is hot, and that's why we want to be
That's
with him.
right, because the hot stock picks.
It's the hot stock picks.
They're already running. Absolutely. Okay, so lots of good stuff going on. We've got all the free events happening. Nice. Levi, you have a ticket open. Tony, you have a ticket open. Make sure you guys check your tickets today. Get that stuff handled. I do have a one-on-one today. Are you in here, Ryan?
Yeah, I'm in here. Can you hear me?
Yep. Just making sure we're confirmed. We good to go for today at 11:30?
Correct.
All
I'll
right.
see you there.
Yep. Sounds good. Okay, for everybody else, are you guys all ready to rock and roll? Is everybody ready to crush this market soul or what? Talk to me.
Let's get it done.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes. So excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I, of course, will be trading a live account in front of your faces. I am going to be starting to trade more futures prop firm style stuff. Now, remember, even though, because I've been doing it all year, even though I'm trading futures or if I move into some of this prop firm stuff, because I want you guys to see how it works, this is still stocks and options morning, right? So just because I'm trading something else has nothing to do with what I'm trading. Every call out we have will only and always be stocks and options, right? It's the same thing. Guess what? If I say SPY, that's ES. If I say NASDAQ, that's NQ. I know, it's crazy, right? Okay. So if you are trading futures while you are listening to me, you can do both. You're all right. It's okay. But don't forget, if you look up right there, see that? Tradeify. Use the code ADT. You guys will get the best deals on resets and setting up your evals or lightning or whatever accounts you guys want to set up for. See it up there? ADT. Use it every single time. I do have some accounts that we will be using here. They will be demo accounts. I have some demo accounts from our premium partners over there. So those of you that stream, I believe already gave a couple of those out. Mark, Doug, right? They'll be able to use those so that you guys will get to see how they are doing it in real time. Just so you guys know, the one good thing about it, not to get into tons of prop firmy stuff, but just so you guys know, what we do is we are linking our Tradeify account to Tradeivate, and then our Tradeivate, we are setting that up inside of TradingView. That way we can all trade in TradingView, which is, believe it or not, that's where our 2-minute EWO lives, right? So you're able to trade right on the same screens that you are staring at. So if you guys have ever been interested in prop firms, make sure you check it out. And maybe what we'll do, moderators, put this in the back of your brains, maybe for the month of February, we do an entire prop firm and or futures workshop. We've never done that before. How's that sound? For free.
I'm in.
I know. Hold your applause, everybody. I know. Okay. All right. Okay. I feel you. Thank you. Those of you that are watching me over there on TikTok right now, do me a favor. Double tap those screens. Click that follow. If you're watching me on YouTube, click that subscribe. By the way, if you guys haven't, head on over to YouTube. We have over 3,000 training videos. 3,000 training videos. We have more free education than any other stock market trading or training company or community in the world. So thank you. Double tap those screens. Today, the goal, will make a small goal, will be 100,000 likes on TikTok before I leave today. 100,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you. Appreciate you. And if I remember, I will start doing some cool like prop firm style giveaways over there on TikTok. So I need all of you to start tapping. Moderators, I think what we're going to do too is we're going to create a channel over on our Discord that when people come over for that day, they'll be able to enter giveaways. So maybe we'll call it like free giveaway or something in the community area. That way when they come into Discord, maybe we'll put in a special code or a secret word or something that they will use over in that area. And then we will spin the wheel. So anybody that joins the Discord for that day, we can do a giveaway. Sound good? Okay, great. Don't let me forget that because I have a million ideas. I have to make sure we implement them. I am the idea man. Moderators, you are the doers. Got it? Okay, great.
Can we have Taco Bell as the password?
Or the giveaway. Absolutely. Mia says, can I rejoin the Discord? I don't... Oh, okay. I'm like, wait a minute. What? You're in the Zoom. I thought you were having technical issues. Stop it. Stop it. Good morning. Good morning. All right. We've got about 6 minutes to the bell. Now listen, the rules that we live by inside of this room are never lose more than 1 to 3% of your daily account ever in any given day. So make sure you guys are not blowing up your accounts. Going in too large leads me into make sure you go in with smaller position sizes, right? This allows the runners to run and stop out the losers. Make sure you are paper trading while you are in training. Do not use real money. There is no such thing as skin in the game and all this other crap all these little kids are telling you over on TikTok. That's trash. You do not need to use real money at all. Everybody use a fake paper simulated account during training. Thank you. Make sure you journal every single day. You must journal. I always have a journal next to me. If you are a newer trader, do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. That is the busiest time of the day. That is where you can get all chopped up. All right. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. I do not want you going into any trades without a stop loss. This is why the pre-market and the post-market, meaning before and after the market, regular market hours, is more dangerous because any type of news event happens, you are not protected. Speaking of protected, make sure you fully and 100% understand exactly what you are doing with your mechanics. Make sure you have a backup system. Always have a phone, tablet, laptop, another workstation, something in the event of your system crashing or the brokerage account you are in crashing out. You must have a backup plan. Okay? There's no exceptions to that rule. There has to be some sort of redundancy. We talk about that all the time. And again, I just want to thank you all for being here. We are ending this week strong. We're going to get this party started, right? The week is going to lead into a new year. We have tons and tons of stuff coming up at American Dream Trading, including our American Dream Trading Academy. That is our other company that you guys will get to see very soon. We're still working diligently on the back end, making sure all the videos, the quizzes, the certifications, the testing process, the flow, everything is working out great for you. Now, remember, if you're a Diamond member, I'm still going to give you guys free access to it, but I'm going to have to do some sort of admin thing for it, maybe $100 a year or something. Don't cry at me. Oh, it's $100. Stop, right? There will be something. But for everybody else, it'll probably be, don't quote me, I don't know the pricing yet, but for everybody that is not a Diamond member, it's probably going to be $1,200 to $2,500, I'm thinking. Again, don't quote me on it, which will get you access for a year or two. We're still trying to figure out, right? Our competition, by the way, charges $4,500 for it. And he'll have less, just like always, right? Our only competitor out there charges $4,500 and you get less. All right. So we will always have more. Hold on a minute. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So anyways, we got a lot of cool stuff coming. Okay, thank you. Yep. Thank you. Don't forget, if you guys need assistance, open up a help desk ticket. Okay? Right underneath where it says American Dream Trading on our Discord, under it says help desk support. That is the only way you will be able to reach out to us. That is the only way you will get live questions answered inside of our rooms. Do not accept any friend requests, direct messages. None of us here do that. Do you understand me? Okay, great. Ryan, my one-on-one today. Stick around. If you are in here, I will say if I end up leaving early, you and I will do our one-on-one early. You understand me? If you're available.
Yeah.
Okay.
Copy.
Okay, awesome. Just if we get done a little bit early, I'll say, hey, let's just do it early instead of sitting here waiting till the clock rings to 11:30. Okay. All right, everybody. 1 minute to the bell. Make sure our call outs are clear and concise. If you have a 2-minute EWO runner, say Apple 2-minute EWO, first indicator upside. Bang! Shut that microphone down. We're out of there. You could also say hot stock pick WOK, new high of day. Don't call it out 800 times. I don't care that it's new high of day a million times, right? Just make sure that we know about it. Everybody in the room, if we have not called out a double top or a double bottom, which is our A plus, highest level trades, call it out. Tesla, double top. Apple, double bottom. SPY, 20 cents away from a double top. All right. That's how we call that out. Okay, great. So make sure, again, our call outs are clear and concise. Otherwise, listen to the sound of my voice. Nobody go rogue. Nobody act a fool. Nobody go in too large with position sizes. Don't have too tight of stop losses. Otherwise, you're just going to get chopped up a million times. Here we go, everybody. Let's rock and roll. Let's crush this market's soul. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. Apple 2-minute EWO first. Apple 2-minute EWO indicator to the upside. Just remember, Apple has a tendency to pop at the open and then pull back lately. So be cool. Watch for that pre-market high of 273. You want it to stay above 273. Now, SPY has ran down all morning long. Typically, when we see a pullback in the pre-market, you will typically see a run up at the open or vice versa. Just like Apple was pulling back in the pre-market, now running up. Apple now fighting between red and green. It's 12 cents away from going green over there. SPY starting to get a little bit of momentum to the upside. We'll see what it wants to do here. Everybody be patient. Again, if you are a newer trader, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Apple still climbing on that first 2-minute EWO indicator. Keep an eye on that. Don't forget as well, the very first thing that you need to do when you come in for charting, pre-market high, low, previous day high, low. First things you mark.
NVIDIA strong to the downside.
NVIDIA to the downside. Thank you. Has it broken our pre-market setup yet to the downside?
Hot stock pick, BNA.
Yes, sir, it has.
It has. Okay, great. That'd be a good call out, wouldn't it? Thank you.
High of day for BNAI. Hot stock pick, BNAI.
All right, thank you. Did you guys see how quick I just charted all that out for SPY because I needed my areas? Did not have them marked out because a Weeble was causing me some grief this morning. Apple, I've got a major level set at 273.90. Let's see if that. Now listen. Apple, 2-minute EWO, second indicator upside. I did not hear anybody say that. And it's been in there for over 35 seconds. Do we see how we have to catch that? Everybody in the room, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Somebody should have said that, not just the coach. I'm running 800 million things over here, right? Thank you. Let's get it together. Appreciate you. SPY continuing to climb. SPY is still on the struggle bus, fighting to get back up to the 200. It is above the 9, the 21 VWAP, starting to come up to the 200 for SPY.
IWM first 2-minute EWO to the upside. Be careful of the 200 resistance at the top.
All right, thank you. There goes Apple on that 273.90. I just had that as a previous area. Somebody will have to go back over there and look. Remember, before you make a trade, everybody always look left. Right? Always look left. Thank you. TikTok need more involvement from you guys. Our numbers are low. I want everybody double tapping the screens. Go ahead. Feel free to throw the gifts up there. Get involved. Get engaged. I want you all to start talking, asking questions, TikTok. Come on, if you see a runner, type it in. Have a question? Key it out. Our moderators are standing by to help you. We have over 20 of them to help you out. It's just as much for all of you watching for free as it is our paid members. We want to make sure everybody has an opportunity to be successful. Okay, great. Apple. 2-minute EWO still to the upside. Again, we want to see it stay above this 273. That's right where VWAP is now on the 2-minute. Now remember what I said? Go.
IWM retesting ceiling at 251.25. Need to break and hold.
Thank you. SPY, remember what I talked about this morning, how it pulled in the pre-market, looking for it to run up at the open. SPY has been stair-stepping all the way up. Last 5 candles. Fighting to come up to this 200 MA. Let me look around the board. So that WOK, WOK, popped up to 633 in the pre-market, all the way down to 425 at the open here. That's why it's so dangerous trading that pre-market, right? And our rule is if you are in the pre-market, right, you always get out before the bell. Am I right, everybody in the room?
That's right.
That's right. Can anybody tell me why?
Because during the open, everybody's going to want to sell off.
Yep, they're going to want to sell off, aren't they?
Every time.
Every single time without fail. Yep. All right, Weeble, what is your deal today? This thing, there was an update to Weeble, and it completely crashed my system, and it's been a nightmare ever since. There goes SPY. Did anybody get in SPY above that break of the 200 MA and or at the open when I told you if it pulls at the pre-market, look for it to pop in the open? Did anybody get in SPY?
I'm in it. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Good.
5 2-minute to the upside.
Thank you.
NVIDIA double top.
NVIDIA double top. Thank you. Good call out. Apple, new high of day. Wouldn't that also mean that Apple is now in a 6-star trade for 2-minute EWO riders.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. Good
Coach.
job. Good job.
I'm done already for today.
Well, just like that. Nice job.
Thank you very much.
Get in, get green, and get out, right?
Yeah, a couple thousand.
Couple thousand. All right, it's 9:37. Okay, it was less than 8 minutes. Who would like to make a couple $1,000 in under 8 minutes? Anybody in the room?
I do, Coach.
I'll take that.
Uh-huh.
That was one hell of a green candle, man.
Yeah, that was beautiful, right? Did you run SPY? Is that what you were running?
Q's.
Q's, yeah, same thing. Yeah, pretty much. Yep.
Yep.
Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, nice work. He's got the eye of the tiger. I like it. Good job. Good job. SPY at 689. This was the pre-market high. So everybody's cautious at 689, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yep, that is a pre-market high. That means that's going to be a resistance level. Now, yesterday or previous day, let me kill this mic for LJ. I got it, moderators. Previous day low was 689.27. If LJ's mic opens again, help him out. Thank you. Literally help him all the way out. Please be mindful of your mics. I know sometimes with your phones it gets hit and stuff. Just please watch what's happening. Thank you. Appreciate you. TikTok, I need some involvement out of you. We're doing this for free. We have been live every single day, by the way, TikTok members, for 3 years. We are the largest and most successful stock market trading community and company that has ever existed. You are watching literally Guinness Book of World Record crap happening in front of your face every day. Am I right, everybody in the room? Or am I just talking trash?
No, sir, you're not lying. No, sir. Absolutely true.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Come on, double tap those screens. I want some engagement out of all these free members that are milking the system. Let's go.
Hey, Coach, sorry to interrupt you. Hey, can we take a look at NVIDIA? I know it's not one you usually look at, but
Yep. Yeah, somebody called a double top out of that pre-market double top. Who called that out?
I did.
That was perfect. Did you nail that thing?
I nailed the put this morning, and then flipped the script on this call now.
Nice. Good job. Now, as you guys can see, it did the same thing as SPY. It hit the pre-market high, which is resistance. That is a double top area, right? And then it pulled back. Isn't that exactly what SPY is doing as we speak, right? Remember I said be careful, this exact area. Everybody heard the sound of my voice, right?
Right.
Okay, good. NVIDIA by Trust Securities just got a target maintained. NVIDIA 275 price target. Okay, thank you. Double top pullbacks. Has an A+ setup across the board. Am I right? That is glorious.
Always.
Nice. A+. You will not find a better trade in the business ever anywhere except for my 2-minute EWO strategy that I designed and developed after 33, almost 34 years of market experience. Ask David if the 2-minute EWO strategy works, as he's now over $1 million in profits. Or Mark, who's one of our latest multi-millionaires, who started with the 2-minute EWO strategy and then moved into futures 2 years later. right? Correct. Thank you. So we got a nice setup here on SPY. Now, let me look. Going a little dabble, do ya? Let's take one. Watching for the bounce here off of the 200 and the 9.
AMD new high of day.
Thank you. Apple pulled back. Set this up. See if we get a continuation here. If we get this, we'll get a bounce off of this 9 and the 200 or not. If that breaks, now remember, if SPY breaks below this VWAP and 21 area here, that's short city, right? Okay, great. Comes down. It's coming down to the 200 MA. I've got my
Amazon
stop.
zones first 2 minute. EW to the upside.
Okay, thank you. All right, right here, SPY. We're going to see if this is going to bounce now off this 200 or not. This is going to tell us everything. And we got VWAP sitting right below it, right? They got to give us a little bit more room. You see it right here? If not, we will short this below this 21. Not financial tax or investment advice, just a strategy that I'm looking at. Yes? Okay. I should have had a little bit lower on that. Should have gave that a little bit more breathing room. Going in very small. Looking to see if we're going to get a bounce here or not. This, yeah, right off VWAP. I'm going to put it back where it was supposed to be. I still like the idea. I think I just had too tight of a stop. Looking for the bounce here off of VWAP. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Yeah, we don't know, right? We don't know for sure if it's going to reverse off the bounce, but that's what we're anticipating. And if it doesn't, that's what our stops are for, right? Clearly, this just wants to continue to pull here. See this? So give this a little bit of breathing room just below this 21, and then I'll short it. So basically, I'll have gone from one side to the other, trading the trade, not my bias, right?
IWM is behaving exactly the same.
Thank you. 20 seconds on the candle. Shorting it. Letting it work. Green trade. There it goes. Moderators, I have an open mic. Thank you. Stalled on this candle right here. Yep, we'll look for it to try to bounce half candle rule. If not, this will collapse. Shorting it, but I'm giving it quite a bit of breathing room here, just in case it does decide to bounce that half candle, right? Typically, there goes the half candle rule. Now let's see if this will pull back. Now remember, this is why I say trade the trades, not your bias, right? I was thinking, oh, it's going to bounce off of VWAP. It didn't. I think I had too tight of a stop in there, but regardless, it did not hold at VWAP, right? So clearly, but in my head, if I was like, but it must bounce, I'm going to wait for, and then it doesn't, that's a problem. How many of you have done that? Well, it should have and it could have, and I'm going to sit in it and I'll be in that trade. And then next thing you know, right, it destroys your account because you're like, but it should come back. And then, no, If you make a wrong trade, it's okay. It's a part of trading, right? Let your stops do what they're supposed to do. Get your strategies in place. Put them in there. Some days will be green, some days will be red, but make sure you are following your strategy. Don't blow up your accounts because you think, or it should have, or I hope, right?
I read about.
Thank you. Now, look, I got burned on it twice, technically 3 times, but the other one was really small. But again, that's going to happen. Just have to sit and wait it out. Just have to be a little more patient with it, right? Still looking like it wants to come back to the downside here. Fighting off of that VWAP area. That was that half candle. So it did, right? Our typical half candle. You see where it ran up. So when I say that is, if there's a really long, bloody, one single 1 minute candle and it stalls like it did, look for a retracement of at least half of that candle. Isn't that exactly what it did? And then it pulled back again. Okay, great. Good job. And there we go. And now I'm getting paid. Now we're just looking for this to break below this previous candle area right here. And we should get a nice bleeder. It's fighting this because this is right. This, if you look at this pre-market area, this is where I had a little bit of a struggle before, right? Yep. Good job. Protect this trade. Free trade. Let it work. I'd like to see this bleed out through this area. Like I said, it's going to fight this. If you look left, look at left. See all this? This is what we're dealing with right now. See it? It's technically from here to about here. Does everybody see that? So that's what it's fighting with. See, and I barely made any money off that. But this is what it's fighting. Can you guys all see that on the left side in the pre-market?
Yep.
Couple of little spots right here that's fighting to come through this. Made a couple bucks on the trade. Still overall down though on those trades. All right, bounced all the way back up to VWAP again. Again, we're looking to see if this will break the 200. Now, Apple 2-minute EWO riders. Who is still in those longs?
I'm in it, coach.
Thank you.
So I have runners at 18%.
Then I have one runner.
Nice, nice. Did it freak everybody out when it pulled the VWAP? I know it always scares newer traders out.
No, you said to see if it stay above 273 to stay in it. You did say that.
Yep. So you're all right. We've still got a little bit of wiggle room over there. SPY, though. I mean, look at SPY. All downside after we hit that 689, right? Fighting the open.
By the way, Microsoft broke to the upside above pre-market level.
Okay, thank you. There goes the pull again. All the way back up to VWAP in the 200. Pull back down. Waiting for it to break through this area again right here that we've got marked. So right here is where I will short it. This right here. Fighting this exact same area it did last time. See it? Looking for it to break through the 687.50 is what that spot is. Sitting right on it. 39 seconds still on a 1 minute candle. Being patient. Has to break 687.50 and hold below that for me to short it. Does everybody see it and why I have that there? Okay, great.
Yep.
It's all of this right here. This, then it came back, right? So we want to see a breakthrough here, and then I can short this for this potential new low a day. If you try to get in that early, this is a spot where it could bounce right back. So have to be patient. I got chopped up twice, technically 3 times right here. Well, from above to below, so I'm just letting it work. Now remember, what did SPY come off? Wasn't that the double top pre-market high? Wasn't that the best setup of the day?
Yes. Coach, would this be considered a double bottom?
Once it gets to this pre-market low of 686.66. See it?
Okay, thank you.
Yep. So now we're just kind of feeling it out. Apple's still bouncing around VWAP and the 200. It's 9:53, almost 54, about 6 minutes before more volume is going to come in. Excuse me. Yes, this is always recorded. If you are a VIP Gold member, you'll find it over in the recorded sessions, and you can raise your hand over in the VIP Gold area and say, where do I get this? If you are not a VIP Gold or Diamond member, you, of course, will be able to go back and watch this live on YouTube. Okay? Okay, great. You're welcome. There's that bounce. 687.50. See, now if I would have jumped in that again, I would have just got chopped up again, right? Now, this was a good entry right here. As soon as it hit that 200. A little late to the party, but I'll take a little dab will do ya. Because that's where it kept bouncing off the same spot before. See it? Excuse me. Still fighting this area. Consolidation in here. Still downside momentum. Still could not break and hold above VWAP. This is why I shorted it again here. Nice. Looking for it to come all the way back to that 687.50 if this holds in this spot. Excuse me.
Coach, NVDA is almost at double bottom.
NVIDIA?
NVIDIA, it's approaching double bottom. So
Okay.
we got 4 more minutes, though. 4 more minutes for shift change.
Oh, I see it. Yep. Good call out.
I say it's got a little bit more wiggle room, but it's kind of fighting it.
Yep. Good call.
Great chart, though.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And you guys got that off of the double top, right?
Yes, sir.
That's nice.
Learned it here, though.
Yes. Good job. All right. What do we?
After a lot of smacking around, y'all did of me, but yeah, I learned it here, though.
Yeah, it happens. All right, this is squeezing right here on this 9. This is going to tell us everything right here. We want this to stay below this 21 and this 9, pushing back down to 687.50.
I need SPY to get out of that chop
I know.
zone.
Yep, that 687.50 is everything over there.
Yeah.
It's getting a little bit of a push. Hell, I could have probably taken a $100 trade 4 times instead of just letting it sit here and ride, but this is everything right here, the spot. It's really getting pushed down. See if it can hold. Volume will come in. This gets pushed down. And if it breaks that 21, it's right. It's going to try to rapidly get back to VWAP again. Yeah, see, there's 100 again. Literally could have done that 4 or 5 times, right? $400 or $500 trade off the same little thing. So that's kind of different too, right? If you think about it, you can either sit there and hold in it, you can scalp it 4 or 5 times, right? Make the money. Like, that's what's cool about what we do. There's multiple ways you can make money, right? Buy and hold longer, scalp it 100 times, like whatever you're comfortable with.
You've changed 2 minutes.
Thank you. Now, typically, I just take the scalp inside of here, but since we're set up so good still off the 9 in this 21, letting it pay me out. Nice. Nice. There we go. That's better. All the way down to our 687.50. Beautiful. Moving the stop. Now, we'll see if it's going to try to bounce off this, again, the 687.50, right? If it doesn't, we're going to get a nice, there it goes. I was going to say a nice bleeder. Nice. And that is a beautiful trade. Nice candle. Either way, I'm set to lock in at least 150 minimum on the trade. Otherwise, there it goes. Took 150 off the trade. Still downside momentum, but I wanted it to stay below 687.50. That's everything, right? And there's the half candle rule. Do you guys see why I moved this one stop? I want to see this. It has to break and hold below 687.50 and it'll be lights out. Again, I'm looking for a short spot again. 10 o'clock, shift change. Volume come in. Looking for more volume here.
Yeah, the volume is not coming.
There it goes.
Ah.
There it goes. Come on.
Weak sauce.
Yeah, it is pretty turtly.
Very weak sauce.
Yes, it is. Oh, the 9. Come on. Stopped out. Look at that push. There goes the volume. Buyers came in. Look at that. Back up to that 21. NVIDIA, you guys are consolidating now down in that double bottom area. See it?
Yes, coach.
Is it a shed point, coach, or just hold?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Is it a shed point or is it just hold and wait?
Always shed on major key areas, right? Always and forever shed on key areas, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, there's no exception to that, partner. Because you can always add in, right? But that way you guaranteed locked in profits. That makes sense? Yeah, if you guys were shorting it from a double top and you get down to a double bottom, what's most likely it's going to want to do again, right? It's going to want to bounce, right? So if you're sitting there still holding on to that because you're trying to get every little penny out, just take the guaranteed money, wait for the reset up again. Remember, I said take 60 to 90% off the table, right? Everybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah, you can always add in again. Listen, if it breaks below, and gives you a new low a day, you can always add in again. But at least then you've got your money. You made that trade perfect, right? Or as close as can be. Now, I shorted this off the 21 again. I got in a little late, but that was the move. All the way back down to 687.50 again. There we go. That's nice. Nicey nice. Still fighting.
SOPA. Hot stock pick, new high over the day, up 58%.
All right, thank you. Still fighting the 687.50. Still downside momentum. Still could not break and hold the 21, right? Okay, great. The 9 is squeezing into, look at it, squeezing down into the 687.50 now. See it? It's getting better and better for that short. Watching to see if it stalls out right here. This is where it stalled out last time, around the 687.30. So now my break of 687.30 is going to be a beautiful short. Everybody see it? I'm in the short, but it's going to be really nice below that. Moving my stop. Protecting the trade. Looking to see if this is going to break and hold below 687.30. There it goes. Isn't that exactly what I just said? That's that spot, right? It has to get below 687.30 right there. See it? Trade was protected, made a couple bucks, not a ton. Bounced back up. I'll re-enter a short off the 21 or below 687.30.
Tesla new lower day.
Thank you. NVIDIA is doing the same thing. See how it's kind of going down, 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 fighting that area? Now waiting on SPY, a break a hold 687.30. Does anybody see any hot stock pick, any other runners? So we're not just only talking about SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, the Qs, anything moving, anything doing anything?
Tesla is looking good to the downside.
Thank you. There we go. 687.30. Nice. Shorted it in the green. Nicey nice. Who's making money today? It's 10:06. Market's been open for a whole 37 minutes now. Has anybody made any money yet?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. $687.30 was a break and hold. That's nice. Still down. There we go. Still downside momentum. Anybody making any money?
IWM also grinding lower to support at 249.60.
Thank you. SPY continuing to crash out here. This is beautiful. 687 is the next level of support. You can see that off this pre-market area. So 687 down to 686.66. Still all downside momentum on SPY so far. Now remember, collect as you go because you never know what the market is going to do. Everybody's collecting as it goes, right? And also remember, when and only when is the only time you can add into a trade.
It's going your way.
That's right. If it's going in your favor, for example, if you're shorting it or you have puts and it's continuing to go to the downside, you can add in. If you are in longs or calls and it's going to the downside negatively against you, you cannot. Never dollar cost average ever into a losing trade. That is the fastest way to double down and double lose your money. Do you hear the sound of my voice, everybody that's watching me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. I've seen that so many times. How many of you in the room, show of hands, I know I've done it. How many of you have
raised both hands?
Yeah, we all done
have
it.
added
Yeah.
into a losing trade and then you really lose your butt on it, right?
Yes, sir.
Lots of times.
Oh, yeah.
That's hopium, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes,
SOPA is still to the upside, up 87% now.
Oh, nice, nice. SOPA, is that a hot stock pick today?
Yes, it is.
Nice. Hot stock pick. SOPA is up 80%. Good job. Nice work. Anybody in that? SOPA?
Yep.
Nice job.
I was.
Good job. All right, here we go. SPY back again. 687. We're looking for that double bottom move. Down to 686. We'll just say 65 just to make it easy, but there we go. Who's in that? What a nice bleeder. Woo!
In it to win it.
Yes. Yes. 686.90. Double bounce area.
Don't want to say anything, but you know I will. Sopa sounds like Greek. Sopa!
I know. Opa!
Oh my gosh,
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Bottom, coach.
That's why I said it like that. Sopa!
I love a good sopa.
Oh, come on. That's a good movie, right? Greek Wedding. My Greek Wedding.
The
That was
double
awesome.
bottom on SPY, coach, worked it
That is
perfectly.
correct. Double bottom bounce on SPY.
In NVIDIA.
Thank you.
I got out right at the double bottom. Thank you,
Yes.
So did I.
Yes. Good job.
And yes, that was an excellent movie.
Yes, it was. NVIDIA's still consolidating in the exact same spot, isn't it?
Well, it's just been hovering.
Yep. That thing is on the struggle bus, am I right?
Now it is.
There we
It
go.
gave a lot of good indicators if you were watching real sharp this morning, though.
That's right. SPY, I'm still in the short, trying to eke out every little bit. There's 200. And I'll take it. By the way, I closed that position on my trading view that I'm watching on the side. I always have my trading view indicators up right over here on my right side. I just took that out. Nice. $200 trade off of that one. Just doing small trades. Double bounce area here in SPY. Everybody be cool. Yep, I was just going to enter that. A little late now, but that was nice. Oh my gosh. Even if I hit that candle off that double bottom back up to the 9, that was nice. Still fighting, still downside momentum here on SPY. No sign of reversal yet, right? It has not bounced and then ran. That's what you want to see off of a double bottom bounce. Am I right? Yeah, typically you'll see volume come in there and people are like, yep, this is it. And then they'll drive momentum. We're not getting that yet. We're still respecting the 9 on the 1 minute to the downside, right?
It's hugging that 9.
Yes, it is. NVIDIA, now right there, NVIDIA's just hit 186. Yeah, I mean within 10 cents, double bottom. See it?
Yes, sir.
All right, new candle. What are we going to do here? I'm not in any trade now. Typically, I'd be all over that double bottom bounce, but I don't like the way it hasn't gotten any momentum from that area yet.
Same, sir.
Yeah, it should have hit. Everybody saw it. Boom, drives it. Yeah, takes off, make new candle highs. It didn't. It hit the 9. It just said, nah, I'm good.
AMD looking at break and hold pre-market high. Pre-market bottom, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Same with NVIDIA, right? Looking for a surge to the upside on NVIDIA. If it's going to break, it has to do it here, right?
Correct. Yeah. I personally, I've got 186.50 marked out on a bigger time frame from like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, it's good because that's where it's chopping, right? See, now right here, I want to see SPY pop to the upside. There it goes. That's what we've been looking for. That is your double bottom bounce. You see the difference? Pop. Look at that. Yes. 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 Now that is a double bottom bounce. Everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Do you see what I meant though? I want to see it pop with volume, make a new candle high, and then it'll just boom, right? That's glorious. Let's see if it can break 687.50. If it does, you're going to be looking for it to run to VWAP. If not, now we're going to get a pullback. 687.50. Everybody remember that key area? I'm going to take the hundo right there. Made another 100. Because we're coming up to 687.50, which should be a major level of resistance. See it?
Yes, sir.
Took my money. And look at NVIDIA. What did I say about NVIDIA? Look. Here comes the surge. Oh, I love it. I love my job. That's nice. All right.
I'm out, coach.
Nice
On
job.
NVIDIA.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm going to the store and get a wheelbarrow real quick.
Yes, good job. Anybody hammer the SPY double bottom?
Yep.
Good job. Now,
man.
now think about it. How many of you on NVIDIA were shorting that thing? And I said, make sure you collect down there, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is why.
Me, coach. Thank you.
Yep. Now, your mind wants to tell you, stay in it forever, your diamond hands and all that crap. Get in, get green, get out. Leave a couple of runners. Take the majority of your money if you're scalping. Live to fight another day. Make that fat loots, right?
Exactly.
All right, right here, same thing, SPY. 687.50. You get new candle up here high. This is going to push the VWAP. A minute. Nice candle. Good candle. Look at that. How you guys liking that double bottom bounce now?
High five it, coach.
Love it.
Is that glorious or what? Look at that. Oh, Billy, Billy, Billy. Was that VWAP? What did it hit? 77. VWAP is at 86. Yeah, close.
Yes,
Yeah, it was close, wasn't it? So close.
Yes, sir. VWAP was definitely a shedding opportunity for us on NVIDIA.
That is correct. Yep, same with SPY, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, look at this. What? I was trying to get like 14 more cents out of it. Coach, cost you $100 off that trade. Damn it. But look at it. It is 9 cents away from VWAP, right? So double bottom bounce pushed all the way up to VWAP and pulled back, didn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't that what we're exactly trained to do? Isn't that the exact ping pong pattern?
Maybe we should put it on a banner.
Right. Now think about it. If the 200 MA would have been before VWAP, we would have used that as its major level of resistance going up to it, right? Because those are the two biggest indicators for resistance and support, right? Good job.
And now it's back fighting that 687.50 again.
That's right. Same exact spot.
Exact same damn spot.
Hey, that launch was really fast on NVIDIA. What do you think, Coach, for the last few minutes?
On NVIDIA, yeah. I mean, it's if this holds above VWAP, this thing will be pushing new high a day over there, right? In the open, anyways. Did that save anybody's butt, though, on NVIDIA on that double bottom bounce? All of you that shorted the double top? Okay, great. Glad to hear it.
Huge save, Coach. Thank you.
Yes, nice job. And you locked in good profits, right?
Absolutely.
Yep.
High five, sir. Good job. Good job to you.
Good job. Now, those of you that don't listen, yes, I'm talking to you right now, right? Those of you that don't listen, it's just as important. You have to be able to execute as what you're hearing. That's the hardest part is execution. Oh, he's told me that 1,000,000 times. How many of you in the room are still stuck at execution? You're like, well, I know to do it, and I'm listening to you, and you said it 60 times, but I can't execute. Is anybody still stuck in not being able to execute phase? Come on, be honest. Don't lie to me. I know who you are.
Me sometimes.
Yep.
For sure.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely sometimes.
I feel like it comes
some days it's perfect, and then other days it's just there's that block.
Yeah, and that's our own mental psychology part we've got to get through, right? Our own mental block. This is where the training will happen, though. Continue the training.
Also comes down to not having your fundamentals down.
Correct. Yeah. Stick to the training, right? Trust the training. Listen to the sound of my voice and execute. That's all you need to do, especially in the beginning, right? While you're trying to learn and take notes, just listen to the sound of my voice. Why am I saying what I'm saying when I'm saying it? There's your NVIDIA new candle high coming off of VWAP. See it? Yeah, that's nice. 187.50 is going to be the tell all of it. If NVIDIA breaks 187.50, look for a new high on NVIDIA over there for open. That to me starts to look more like a nice reversal. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay, great.
You said 187.50.
Correct. Yep.
Then you think it's going to go bust 188.75?
Yeah, I think if it can break 187.50, I'm going to be looking at 188.70. See it up there?
Mm-hmm.
Now, of course, we got to fight the 200 MA, which you can see on my 2-minute, right? And you guys, different time frames, you'll see different things. But if I can see that thing break 187.50, it will break the 9, the 21, double bottom bounce, broke through VWAP, has to get up to the 200 MA. That is how it usually works. These are those ping pong style effects. So if it can stay and hold, which to me 187.50-ish, right, that area, will tell me that we have broken above VWAP and we are now bullish on the trade. Make sense?
Gotcha.
Otherwise, you guys are still in the double bottom bounce off of NVIDIA. And you've got the 9, the 21, and VWAP as support, right? Look at SPY. Look at SPY off this double bottom bounce. It bounced. It came all the way up. It hit VWAP. Pulled all the way back to the 9 and 21. Bounced all the way back up to VWAP. Now, just like this, if I can see SPY break this, what is this, 688.10, same thing over here, I will be looking for new open high, or at least testing that double top again, right?
The 200 is right there too.
It is. So again, that'll be the last resistance level up there, right?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Kathy just says, just made $80,000 from trading, listening to the sound of my voice. I added that part, but how else would you have done it? Nice job, Kathy. $80,000. Good job. Good job. Nice. I see all the profits are starting to pour in. Nice job. There goes SPY. Bounced all the way up to the 200. That's nice. Nicey nice. What a move. We all were talking about SPY down there, right? Think about it. It hit, well, 686.66 was the wick. And it hit right around here, 666.80. So it was 15 cents off. Don't we always talk about getting in early here? Isn't that exactly what we talk about, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
I think as long as it's still above VWAP, it's gonna be good.
Well, yeah,
I had it since the
688.10.
bottom, so I don't care.
Yep. And look at NVIDIA continuing to climb, right? Now think about it. The rest of the world didn't see any of those moves. All they saw was NVIDIA crashing from the open. right? And those rookie traders and those other goofball trading groups, how much you want to bet they're still shorting that?
Yeah, but why?
but you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, 6 months ago, that would have been me.
Yep. You're like, well, I hope it comes back around. And then it'd have been like, well, I'm gonna add in, I'm gonna dollar cost average this, so it'll right, it'll tighten it up. Oh, now I got 15 contracts. Oh crap, now it's really going against me.
Oh man, there's a 75% TAV hit today.
Yep.
Golly.
You're like,
yeah, it's okay. I'll get it back tomorrow, coach. I'll get it back tomorrow.
Exactly.
You know what I
mean? Yep. Or it'll be like, well, I made that much the previous day, so I just gave that back.
Yeah.
Yo-yo effect.
That hurts too.
Yo-yo effect, and never actually get green in portfolio because you're just taking away the money you make every time, right? Good job. We're at 8,000 likes. That is a little short of the 100,000 likes we were looking for today. What's going on? Is everybody's finger broke? You guys got broken fingers? Thank you for the heart me's. Muddy Fish. Thank you, Johnny Williams, for the roses over there. By the way, again, I've been here live every single day for over 3 years. You can add on top of the most profitable, most successful, largest stock market, Guinness Book of World Records, we assume, can't guarantee that one. Breakers. You guys can double tap those screens. And you can add most consistent. We're here every day, right, gang?
That's no lie.
3 times a day we're live. 9 to 11 in the morning, 2 to 4 in the afternoon for futures, and then 4 to 6 in the aftermarket. 3 times a day we are live right here. Appreciate you. Never traded? Well, welcome. You're in the right place at the right time with the right people. Good job. SPY 688.10. Isn't that what we want to see, a break and hold to the upside on? Yerp. NVIDIA continuing to make higher highs on those candles. Do you see it? Now look at this. This is a pattern change. NVIDIA 187.33. See the change?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's not wanting to pass 35 at all.
Yep, it's just stuck. See it? We want to see a nice pop right through 187. There we go. 33. It hit the 9 and bounced. There, that's better. Get up there. Who's in on those NVIDIA double bottom bounce longs?
Sir.
Now, what did I say? If you at least master double bottom, double tops, you will beat 99% of all stock market traders out there. Am I right?
100%.
Yeah, just that one A+ setup, double top or double bottom. You will literally beat 99% of all retail traders doing that. Well, they're talking about fair value and inverted fair value gap and liquidity sweeps and all this bullshit. You guys will literally be making millions of dollars while they're still playing with the charts, right?
Wrong lines.
Mark, stop it. You know nothing good comes from Ohio. Mark said, go Buckeyes. Mark, what's wrong with you? That boy's got issues, man. 688.10. Wasn't that our main area that we had to get through on SPY to make that nice, beautiful move to the upside?
And the 200.
Yep, and it just died.
It completely died.
Yep. Good job. Oh, what in the heck is all that? Sorry, we cannot read Chinese. Sorry, I have to mute your account, partner. Sorry, I cannot read Chinese. Or I
It
would.
said, follow ADT coach.
He did.
2026. New
Yes.
Year's resolution.
That's
Invest in
exactly.
yourself.
Yes, exactly what it said. Yep.
Exactly what it said.
Yep.
I seen it over here, sir.
Yeah. Good job. Oh, NVIDIA's at our 187.50. See it? There it goes. Oh, look at the volume come in on NVIDIA. Oh, go, baby, go.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. Rob, what's wrong with you? Man, Rob, now, Mark, now you got Rob over there saying that crap. What's wrong with you people? SPY, we're looking for a break and hold above 688.10 for the next setup for the long for me. Not financial tax or investment advice, just a trading strategy. Don't forget, look up top. If you guys want prop firm accounts, go to Tradeify. It's listed right on the top. Use the discount code ADT. Discount code ADT to set up all of your accounts and your resets. Go up there on the top. You can see it up top. Right up there. Use code ADT. Thank you. If you guys want to join us for training, American Dream Trading is the website. Nana, I got your mic. Don't you worry. Did you guys hear her over there praying? Anybody?
I thought that was you whispering. Was that Nana?
That was Nana.
There's zero noise.
We got you. We got you covered.
I have no idea where you guys are here.
Hallelujah.
It's so quiet here.
Yeah, we got you. You said, "Oh God."
No, I said go SPY.
Oh, there you go. See, we knew we heard something. I thought you were praying.
Look,
I thought you were praying over there.
I'm helping SPY.
Okay, all right. Okay, I got you. 6-8. Remember, Nana's on a double bottom bounce long to the upside, so she wants to see a break and hold of 688.10 to get tons of volume in here. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Nice job.
Even the pullback, I was like, nope, it's above the 21. I'm still in it.
Yeah, and look how far away it was from where you bought it. So there it goes, 688.10. Everybody see it? Yay! And there goes NVIDIA. There goes NVIDIA. Oh yes, look! Oh my gosh, look at that rocket ship on SPY. Look at that candle. Oh, Billy. Woo!
Beautiful.
Wow.
You see, I'm talking French to SPY, and look at that.
You guys hear that? The naked trader is convincing SPY to go up. Take that for however you want. We do have children listen to the program, so don't take that too far. You dirty-minded people. I know where you guys were going with that.
You have no idea. I can go. I have a jog right now. But
Everybody be cool. It's a family show. Look at that. Who's in those SPY longs on the break of 688.10?
I am.
Wow.
I'm in it.
Good job. Stall candle. Looking for 50% retracement and then looking for it to push back to the upside. There's your 50% retracement. It just went all the way here.
NVIDIA is at 200.
Yep. I see it.
You'll be proud of me, Coach. I bit my tongue. I didn't say anything.
I know it. Good job. Nice.
Hey, Coach, can you check out Tesla double top?
Yep, I'm on it. Oh, yeah. And, yes, close. Got a little bit more.
Yeah, it's almost a triple, too.
Uh-huh.
The 200 is right there.
Yes, it is. Let me mark all this. Right there.
It's right at the 200.
Mm-hmm. that's a nice setup. Yeah, we want to see that break and hold above that 200. See it right there? But yeah, you are definitely close to this double top area on Tesla. 486.32 is going to tell you everything. And same with the 9. I would not be in a Tesla long if it breaks that 9 to the downside. See it? The reason is because if it can't hold that 9, which has been support this whole time, then that means that's the spot where it's technically the double top. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. But otherwise,
Yep.
oh crap. But otherwise, you're still in the business. SPY stopped me out. It hit the 688.39 and pulled all the way back. See it? Oh, wow. Love you.
Too bad you didn't set up your ice maker.
Love you. All right, still pulling back here off of SPY. Look at those huge blood candles. 3 in a row. See that Tesla sitting right on that 200? I just got double Diet Coked over here. I got 2 now. I haven't even finished the first one. Look at this. We're about to get hyped up. I'm going to go into the one-on-one bouncing off the walls. You know what?
Don't do
Double-fisted drinker.
Yes, double-fisted it. Triple, actually, because I also got a Starbucks. Yes. That's a lot. That's a lot going on. Ryan, are you in the room?
Yeah, I'm still here.
All right. I'm going to set up. I'm going to meet you about 11:05-ish. I'll start the Zoom early. If you can see it, you'll see it in there. If you need help, just open up a ticket. Otherwise, I'm going to open up that Zoom early for us. All right, partner?
Yep. See you at 11 o'clock.
Yep. Be real tight around 11. Listen, everybody. Love your faces. Did anybody make any money today, by the way? Let me know.
Yeah. Make $300.
Yes.
My third green day in a row.
Oh, wow. Nice job, Giovanni. Proud of you, man.
Yes, chef.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, good job.
Way to go, Giovanni.
Love it.
Yep. And I still got 1,700 buying power. I only used a little bit of money to make the 300.
Wow. Nice job. That's beautiful. That's over 10% on that account. That's beautiful, man. Nice job.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Good
Coach
job.
Giovanni was the recipient of a 30-day diamond.
Oh, I saw that. Yes, congratulations.
He's making use of it.
I'm
Good
so
job,
excited.
buddy.
No, I don't have access yet. It didn't pop up yet.
I think you have a ticket open for it.
I don't know what I was supposed to do.
There is a ticket open with your name. Bottom left-hand corner. Moderators, if you can hear, make sure Giovanni has access. Speaking of that, Levi and Tony, you both have open tickets. Levi, ticket number 5955. Tony, ticket number 5821. All right, everybody, listen, I appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with the old man. We got to 13,000 likes. I appreciate that. Let me kill these mics. Again, I want to thank all my moderators, Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family and all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Giovanni, your ticket number is 6065 on Discord, bottom left-hand corner. If you are on your phone, you will swipe right. You'll see all the channels go all the way down to the bottom left. You will see it. We've tagged you a bunch of times. We created the ticket.
I got it.
Yep, we created the ticket the day after Christmas. See it?
Yep. And what I do is click WAP.
You will click exactly what Bruno has listed for you, where it says link is above. Ding, ding.
All right.
Ding, ding.
Thank you.
We got you. Lily says, please decrease. There's no sugar. I don't have any sugars in these. But yeah, caffeine. Usually I only have one of these, but I guess my wife was wanting to see me bounce all over the walls today. I guess. Look at Tesla pull back off that 200 MA, by the way. See it? Good job. Listen, I'm out. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless. Don't forget, get a little Jesus in you. Here you go. Here's a little Jesus right there for you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget, we'll be here again live from 2 to 4 and then 4 to 6. Make sure you guys tune in every day. Do me a favor. Let everybody in the world that you know about American Dream Trading. Let them know that January 22nd at 4 o'clock Eastern, right here, for all of you in our Discord, we will have a link, not on YouTube. There will be no lives out there. You have to be in our Discord. You are going to get a full-blown workshop class, how to start your day trading journey, right here. So make sure you guys tune in. That is the last Thursday of the month in January at 4 p.m. Eastern. Put it in your calendars now. We will have a channel dedicated just for that. So all of you that join the Discord will go to that channel. We'll set it all up so you guys can see it. We'll have the link in there, and we will see you all there. I'm hoping to have about 1,000 people in that room. Let's fill it up. Tell everybody you know about it. If you guys are feeling really frisky, go to X. You can tag me at ADT Coach. If you're on Instagram, it's at American Dream Trading LLC. If you are over on TikTok, at ADT Coach. Do all the things. Send some stuff. By the way, I think I'm going to do some cool things. First person that gives me like a viral video, million plus, not paid. Make sure they're legit. But I might give like $10,000, $20,000. I haven't figured it out yet. So if you guys are thinking about making videos, make the videos. Send them out. I'm always looking for what's going on out there. You get a video that hits or a cool video, I will drop massive cash on your face. Do you understand me? Do the things, make the videos, tell people, refer. I'm out. Love your faces. See ya. See ya. Moderator.